Here for this part I will need a line through 0, 0 at the angle 45 and same line at the 0, 0 at the angle 270, and I will need one circle radius 4. Okay, let me do it. Here on tools I click CAD part design, and then as I said I need a line through one point at the angle, and angle was 45, and then the other angle was 270. I need radius 4. Insert, zoom out a little bit, go to polyline, click here to here to here, and then right click here, and then press enter. This part is done. Okay, I can show the other part like this one. For this I will need 2 radiuses, one is 3, another is 6, and I will need 2 angles of 30 and 60. Okay, minimize this, go to program, CAD part design. I said I need 2 radiuses, one is 3, another is 6. Zoom out, and I need a line at the angle, first angle was 3 and the other was 60. Okay, go here, then I pick point by point from here to here. I want to convert this to arc, so right click on this, click to here, right click here, and then press enter. It's done. Now I can insert this to CAM program or save as the XF. I'll insert to CAM program and show offset. It's okay. Now I'll delete it, I don't need that. And then I'll show third part. It is actually number 4, yeah, here. For this I will need 2 vertical lines and 2 circles at the radius 2. So let's do it. First I need vertical lines are at -2 vertical line, and I need vertical line at +2 vertical line. Then I will need 2 circles, zoom out a little bit, 0 and 7 circle, here 0 and 7, and a radius is 2. Then I need 0 and 0 and radius 2. 0 and 0 and radius 2. So I on this construction I can pan it by clicking right mouse and moving, dragging all drawing here. So I'll go to polyline and go point by point, 1, 2, 3, and then right click here, and then next point, and next point, and right click here, and when I'm finished press enter. That part is done. Also I can save it as DXF, and I can insert to CAM. I will insert to CAM, you see, and then move it here, and then I will delete it, and